This right here is the biggest blessing and the biggest curse on the planet. So today I want to talk about 3 ways that you can improve your digital health. Let's start with number 1, setting clear boundaries. Use an application like Digital Wellbeing to monitor your application usage, right? Set an overall time limit for how long you want to use your device every day. And you can even go one step further to set time limits for specific applications. If Instagram turns into a black hole, make sure you set a clear timer to make sure that you know how long you can spend on that every single day. Number 2, device-free times and device-free zones. I'm a huge believer in keeping your device out of your bedroom. Also, making sure that you don't use your device in the first 30 minutes or last 30 minutes of every day gives you a great way to wake up naturally and also wind down naturally. Lastly, and this may be the most important, practicing digital mindfulness. Knowing why you're using the applications that you are. What value are you achieving? When you go to Instagram or you go to Facebook or you go to your news feed, why are you there? What value are you trying to get? Remember, they designed these products to be fairly addictive. You never get to the end of social media. So know why you're there and how long you want to spend there before it turns into a mindless doom scrolling session. So thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, I'm always trying to create more content to help you win every day and live your best life. So take a look at the link down below if you're looking for more tips and tricks. And thank you so much for watching.